It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day today. And you know, I'm just out here having some fun, y'all. Some fun. And I thought I'd take y'all with me. Aren't you glad you're here? Aren't you glad you came? I'm gonna take you somewhere. I haven't figured it out yet, but we're gonna go in there. In this red truck. Ooh, that sun is bright. The sun is bright. I'm just walking around because, you know, it's like that. I don't know where I'm going yet, but I'm gonna go. And I'm gonna take y'all with me. It's early February here. And, you know, we gotta clean the back of the truck. It's pretty messy. But me and Ann are hanging out. We're hanging out today. And I'm here to empower you with goodness and brightness and possibilities, y'all. Possibilities. I'm manifesting this trip I'm getting ready to take in 2 months. 2 months. I can't figure out whether it's gonna be the end of April or the end of May. Keep tuned in, because you'll find out if you keep watching. Yeah, right now we're visiting. Me and Ann are visiting friends. Looking at some exotic birds and whatnot. What else? It's sunshiny days, and I want you guys to remember that you have an inner glow. And whatever you're good at, arts and crafts, let me see, you might be good at making money. Yeah, you might be an office worker. You might be sinking in the couch. I don't know whether it's night or day at wherever you're at, but good morning if it's morning, and good night if it's night, and have a good day if it's day, and have a good night if it's night, wherever you're watching from. I got a hair in my mouth. But yeah, I got a lot of sessions with you and more to come. And I also want to thank all the new subscribers trickling in. I got 129 right now, and I'm looking to have 1,000. So keep subscribing, y'all. I'm trying to get monetized. Support the channel. Yeah, I could use your support, but I'm gonna tune in with you in a minute, because we're getting ready to roll. We're getting ready to roll. It's a beautiful sunshiny day here in southern Illinois, out in the sticks. That's where I'm at. I'm in the sticks. You know, deep south. But I'm gonna go to Vancouver. I'm getting ready to go west, wherever direction west is, I don't know. But I'm going west, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Yeah, I'm gonna go to Vancouver, Washington, Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, Sandpoint, Idaho. In fact, I'm gonna go from Chicago all the way to the upper northern west coast. That's including all over Oregon. Yeah, Oregon, especially Astoria, to the beach house. A very historical place. And I'm going to bring you to the Flavel house when we get there, you know. That place, they made a lot of movies. Kindergarten Cop, the little robot movie, the robot number 9 or something like that. I can't remember. Let me see. Kindergarten Cop, I already said that. A lot of movies. The Goonies is the most, known movie. I'll see y'all in a while. Go Girl Beauty Supply. Going in. cool. Those are nice. Nice.
No lavender.
No lavender.
Hello. You're the store owner? I like this store. I have a YouTube channel. Yeah, I'm your Fort Granny. Nice to meet you. You Fort Granny. Wonderful selection. Come on, y'all. Let's go. Hey, y'all. Check Anna out. She's messing around with organics. And she drank that whole frappe. The whole thing.
Almost.
Yeah, and look at her hair.
Miss Lori did my hair.
And it is purple and gray, like we said.
Yes, purple and gray.
Purple and gray. Took me about, how many hours in?
8 hours.
I didn't take that long.
Yeah, 6 hours the first night.
Oh,
And then the next time we did it, it was 2 hours.
yeah, a couple hours. Yeah, she's got that right. But yeah, and again,
I love it. I think it looks nice.
we're having a session. Session. Shine bright.